Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see the state verbs, which are also called as stative verbs. In English grammar, a stative or state verb is a verb used primarily to describe a state of being, I am, or situation, I have. It's how something is or feels or appears. These verbs do not show physical action, I run, or processes, it prints. So stative verb என்ன சொல்லும்னா, it will tell you the state of yours. உங்களோட physical action சொல்லாது. That is what is state verbs. Point 2. Stative verbs can describe a mental or emotional state of being. So stative verb என்ன சொல்லும், ஒருத்தரோட mental or emotional state of being, emotional state சொல்லும். As well as the physical state எப்போ சொல்லும், John was here, இங்க இருந்தான், அது ஒரு state தானே, static தானே, அதை சொல்லும். Third point is, the situations illustrated by state verbs are unchanging while they last and can continue for a long or indefinite time or period. So state verb என்ன சொல்லும்னா, அது வந்து unchangeable, okay, and it will continue for some time and even indefinite time period கூட இருக்கும். Key takeaways, stative verbs. Stative verbs are not actions or dynamic verbs. They are not action verbs or dynamic verbs. They depend on dynamic or action verbs are physical. 2. Stative verbs describe how something is or seems or a mental process. So how something is, எப்படி ஒன்று இருக்கு, or how does it look like, or mental process. It will tell you the mental process. Third point is, revise them out of your writing to increase imagery and details in a passage. What is a state or stative verb? Stative verb or state verb describes the state and not the action of the subject. It will tell you the state, what it is. அப்படின்னு சொல்றது, I am so and so அப்படி சொல்றதுனா state. State verbs tend to be permanent or long lasting. State verbs seems to be permanent and does not seems to be 100%. It does not seems to be 100%. They tend to be permanent or long lasting. State verbs express states or conditions which are relatively static, stronger, அப்படியே ஸ்டாட்டிக்காக நிற்கிறது. Example, honesty is the best policy. Yeah, it's ever. My sister is a doctor. Even that's ever. I have a brother. Forever. So these are permanent situations that are unlikely to change for a long time. Yes, of course. If he's a brother, he's my brother forever. That is static, right? So the stative verbs are permanent, tend to be permanent. State or stative verbs describe the state or situation rather than the action. Action solladu, situation sollu. They aren't usually used in ing form. So they are not usually used in progressive form. Ing form means progressive form. State means situation. State or stative verbs often relate to thoughts and opinions, feelings and emotions, senses and perceptions, possessions and measurements. I've given the verbs over there. Thoughts and opinions. I don't agree her point. Right sentence. And not agreeing her point is a wrong sentence. It's in progressive. So the verb agree is state verb here. So that will not be, that cannot be a progressive verb over here. Second one, feeling and emotions. I want this chocolate. Right sentence. Want is state verb here. And it cannot be a progressive verb. Okay. I'm wanting this chocolate is a wrong sentence. Wanting isn't progressive. I'm wanting, progressive, wrong sentence. Sense and perceptions. He seems happy at this moment. It's a right sentence. Seems is the state verb here. He is seeming happy at this moment. Seeming is in progressive, present progressive. So it's a wrong sentence. A state verb cannot be cannot give you a progressive sentence. Fourth one, possessions and measurements. I have a large family. Right sentence. Here, HAVE have is the main verb. I'm having a large family. Here, I'm having, it's a progressive, present progressive. So it's a wrong sentence. The have, which is state verb, cannot be I'm having a large family here, which is a wrong sentence. So I have a large family is the right sentence. I'm having a large family is a wrong sentence. Thank you.